Hello, fifth period. All right, so right now you have already added to, by now you should have added to your ruler graph, and you should have your surplus region shaded in above your equilibrium and your shortage region shaded in below your equilibrium. Now I want you to add these 4 questions to the bottom of your ruler graph. So if you don't have room on your bottom of your ruler graph, add it to the back. Okay, so you have 4 questions that are talking about the greatest and smallest shortage and surplus, and how much of a shortage or surplus there is. So keep in mind what I gave you in notes. Okay, now I want you to use your ruler graph that we did from last week. So this is what it looks like, and I want you to use that to be able to answer those 4 questions. Work together as a group, see what you guys can come up with. I want you to pause the video right now. Everybody write down the questions and the answers. Okay, hopefully everybody has taken time to be able to go through those answers, so let's talk about this. So, greatest shortage. All right, greatest shortage, remember, shortages are below equilibrium. So your greatest shortage is going to be furthest away from equilibrium. So at $4 is going to be your greatest shortage, because at $4 there are 0 supplied, and there are 0 demanded and 16 that is supplied. So the amount that is going to be short is 16 minus 0, which is 16. The smallest shortage is going to be the points that are plotted that are closest to equilibrium, but it's below equilibrium. So you'll notice here's equilibrium, so the points that are plotted are closest, right below it, is at $6. So at $6, there is 3 that are supplied, and at $6 there's 11 that are demanded. So 11 minus 3 will give you a shortage of 8. All right, question number 3 was asking about the largest surplus. So largest surplus, remember surpluses are above equilibrium, so the largest surplus is going to be furthest away from equilibrium. So at $12 is our largest surplus. Now how much of a surplus is there? Well, at $12 there's 0 that are demanded, but at $12, there's 16 that is supplied. So, to figure out how much of a surplus, 16 minus 0 will give you 16. All right, last question. Where is the smallest surplus? So, smallest surplus is going to be above equilibrium, but it's going to be the points that are plotted that are closest to equilibrium. So, $8 is where the points are plotted that are closest to equilibrium. So, you'll even see that they're not very far apart. So at $8, there is 8 that are demanded, and there's 10 that are supplied. So you're going to have a surplus of 2 rulers. So, just to review, here are your answers. All right, after fall break, I will go through some more examples with you and ask if you have any questions. But if you have any questions right now, you can email me. Otherwise, I will talk to you later. Bye.